Over the next few months, Mid-Columbia Fisheries will be working with local elementary schools to educate them about the Pacific salmon life cycle. Salmon education kicked off this week with a field trip to the Upper Cle Elum River. Here the students got an introduction into the importance of salmon habitat and also were able to view spawning sockeye salmon. After this trip, the students will learn more about salmon and their life cycle. This will include salmon dissections in the classroom, the importance of quality habitat for fish, how beavers, the ecosystem engineer, can benefit salmon and also their food source, and raising salmon from eggs all the way until they are fried. Once their Chinook fry are large enough, they will have another field trip where they use all the knowledge they have accumulated over the past several months to pick the best location to release their fish. For updates on salmon education and for information on other projects, follow us on Facebook or go to our website at midcolumbiafisheries.org.